Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to reference multiple files in Rhino. The tool is called Worksession, and if you make use of this functionality, you can work in a collaborative way with others. It's very cool. I'll show you now. I have prepared this file here. It's a proposal for urban planning. To the left you see in one file the programmatic distribution in 2D and color-coded, everything flat. And to the right side you see the separate file containing the 3D information of the project. If one person is working on the 2D file, he can reference the 3D file like this. You just go to the command line and type Worksession. Then a window will open, and here's where you can attach the reference file. You just have to look for it, and once you have it, you can see that it appears in the window with this locked symbol. That means that you cannot make any changes on it. But, and this is very helpful, you can make copies from the reference file into your original file. You just need to look on which layer you will make the copies. Now you can do the same for the 3D file by creating a reference to the 2D file, like this. To type Worksession, select the file, and that's it. And in the layer window, you can also get to see the reference file in gray color. This you can turn on and off like you would normally do with any given layer. So once you have this setup ready, if you make any changes in any of both files, then you have to save it. So when you open the Worksession window, you have to activate the update button to see the changes happening. In this way you can basically exchange information from 2 or more workstations dealing with the same project in a collaborative way. Another feature to pay attention to when working in teams, it's about exchanging blocks between files. I'll show you here. Let's make a copy of this block to this other file. In both files there is a block with the same name, but the content is different. So when I bring one block to the other file, a notification window appears asking if I want to keep the original block or replace it or change the name of it. And the same happens for the materials. In this case I'm going to replace the block. To get a better overview of this workflow, I strongly suggest you to open and make use of the block manager on the right side of your screen. That's it for today. I personally use this Worksession tool when I'm working in big projects with other architects. It's very easy to use and it's very robust. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial, and if so, please like it, collaborate and share it. Take care. Ciao, ciao.